Good morning. Welcome to St. Anthony's High School Science Fair. Today we are here to share a small part of science which we use in our day-to-day life. Our group name is Sir William Bowman. Myself Tejaswini. Myself Akshita. Myself Akshita. Let me say about scientist. Sir William Bowman is an English surgeon and histologist who discovered the urine is a byproduct of the blood filtration. Do you know what is kidney? Kidney is a bean-shaped structure which performs filtration of blood. The site it has renal artery, renal vein and ureter. The site of blood filtration is nephron. You can see here brownish part is called cortex. You can see here reddish part is called medulla. Whitish part is called calycis. Thank you.